Hello and welcome to Oluwatunseyi channel. I make videos on faith, kitchen hacks, healthy cooking, spiritual songs and hymns. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a video. Do you have a challenge with wrapping your food, particularly moimoi, in leaves? Or do you have a difficulty in wrapping it in a presentable way without it spilling or being messy? This video is for you as I present to you the simplest way to wrap or fold moimoi leaves neatly and without stress. Kindly watch to the end as I will give you some tips and measurements for cooking large quantity of moimoi. That's a bonus. So don't go away. Moimoi is a local Nigerian meal made with beans, so it is called beans pudding. Moimoi leaves are known as soft cane or miraculous fruit or berry. Its botanical name is Taumatococcus danieli. The Yoruba part of Nigeria call it ewe. Let me know in the comments below what you call this in your language. When you cook moimoi in these leaves, it is known to have some health benefits, as some researchers claim the leaves contain some anti-diabetic agents and it prevents kidney and liver disease. But whether or not they do, no doubt they add nice flavor and taste to your meals when you cook moimoi with these leaves as compared to some other things some people use. Now let's talk about what other people use in cooking their moimoi. That is the beans pudding that is considered unhealthy. Some people use nylons and plastic containers. All these are known to be carcinogenic when they come in contact with heat. When heated, they release some chemicals which are harmful. It's not limited to cooking moimoi alone, it applies to all cooking. Generally, cooking food with plastics and nylons are harmful to one's health. Even when you want to cook, warm or preheat or reheat your food, you should do that in ceramics or glass containers or materials that are proven to be safe. Here are the moimoi leaves. I'm going to untie them and cut the stalks with the stalk very close to the leaves. The stalks or sticks that will be cut off will serve as the base for your pot, meaning you will place the sticks firstly at the bottom of your pot and you will line it with some leaves so that the moimoi will not be immersed in water, as it is the steam that is required for cooking. You can wash the leaves with salt and water, or you can use white vinegar. We move over to the folding or wrapping now. Cut the remaining stalk at the wider part of the leaf, that is the base of the leaf, for easy folding, and double the leaves to form an overlap. Some people use one leaf. Try to fold them both into a cone. Then fold the base backwards and fill it with your desired quantity, but make sure it is not too much to spill. Try to follow me again. Can you see? Yes. Yes. That's it. Isn't that simple? Let's do it again. Let's do it one more time. and that's it. These leaves can also be used to wrap other foods like pounded yam, the solidified pap that Yorubas call eko, the beans pudding that is without pepper, Yorubas call it ekuru, and also some people use it to wrap locust beans, that's iru. You can use it for any of your food wrappings, you will enjoy it. Now to the bonus ingredients. For cooking, 20 cups of beans. White beans is preferred, but if you can't get it where you stay or in your locality, any beans of your choice. So you have 20 cups of beans, 10 medium-sized onion bulbs, 10 medium-sized cayenne pepper, that's shombo or bawa. You have small-sized garlic here, 7 cloves, 20 small-sized Scotch bonnet pepper, that's rodo, 6 medium-sized turmeric roots, 10 medium-sized onion bulbs, crayfish, 2 cups, ginger is not left out, 1 medium-sized ginger root, fish, 2 kilos. Once the beans have been peeled or deskinned, all these ingredients will be washed and cleaned appropriately and grinded with the peeled beans. This is how it looks when ready for grinding. You can see the heads of the fish alongside the bones got from the deboning of the fish will be grinded together. The remaining fish will be mashed and added to the grinded mixture. When you are mashing the fish, you try to remove all the bones. You debone appropriately, and so the bones you will get alongside the heads of the fish is what you're going to grind together with the beans and all the ingredients together. By that, nothing is wasted, and of course your moimoi, your beans pudding, is very rich. And then you have a very nice nutrients packed moimoi or beans pudding. Oil, 4 cups. Any oil of your choice can be used. Vegetable oil, but some people use palm oil. 5 tablespoons of salt. Have a look at the neat wraps. Once they are properly done, your pot will not be messy and the moimoi will not have to spill. When making moimoi in bulk, it is advised not to add boiled eggs, since you may want to store some in the freezer. The taste after freezing and reheating for consumption doesn't come out fine and friendly to the taste buds. How about the look? The look is also not appetizing and appealing to the eyes. Another tip for cooking large quantity of moimoi is not to add the red chili bell pepper, which we call tatashe. It makes the moimoi turn sour quickly, especially when not consumed on time. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not, and click the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you will be notified. Don't forget to share to friends and family. Until I see you again in my next video, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.